Hey guys, have you ever wondered how long it takes to set up ASUS's AI Mesh to get great network coverage throughout your entire home? Let's check it out. Hey Steven.
Hey Ross.
Have you ever wondered how long it would take to set up AI Mesh in your home for best internet coverage?
Like an hour?
Actually, it should only take about 10 minutes. In 3 easy steps, you can set up AI Mesh in your home. Step 1, you can connect to the modem with your primary router and use the ASUS router app to locate it. Step 2, place an extending node close by and add another node and pair it using the ASUS router app as well. And lastly, step 3, once paired, you can place the node in the ideal location to improve the internet coverage in your home.
Got it wrong?
Where are you going to go?
You know that. Gonna get another ASUS routers to set up the AI Mesh.